The guesswork out of planting with the Varamorus precision seeder, a reliable manual planting tool designed to help gardeners and small-scale growers achieve accurate seed placement with minimal effort. Built with a durable metal body, this precision seeder makes sowing vegetables faster, more consistent, and more efficient than traditional hand planting methods. Whether you're growing fresh vegetables in your backyard, greenhouse, or open field, this precision seeder helps create evenly spaced rows. Achieve a lush, healthy lawn and garden with the Wellency 25 pounds handheld bag seed spreader, a reliable and easy-to-use tool designed for homeowners, landscapers, and gardening enthusiasts. Whether you're spreading grass seed, fertilizer, ice melt, or other granular materials, this durable broadcast spreader provides smooth, even coverage with minimal effort. Featuring a 25-pound capacity, enclosed metal gears, adjustable flow control, rear baffle, and a comfortable shoulder strap, this spreader is built to make lawn care faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Perfect for year-round use, the Wellency handheld spreader is an excellent solution for seeding new lawns, fertilizing established grass, or applying de-icing salt during the winter months. Its lightweight yet rugged construction ensures long-lasting performance while reducing user fatigue during extended use. Take the hard work out of planting your vegetable garden with the Chapin 8701B Garden Push Seeder Planter, designed for home gardeners, small farms, and hobby growers. This efficient manual seeder allows you to mark rows, open the soil, place seeds at consistent intervals, and cover them, all in a single pass. Whether you're planting corn, beans, carrots, lettuce, spinach, onions, or dozens of other vegetables, the Chapin 8701B helps you achieve uniform planting while saving valuable time and reducing physical effort. Built with a durable powder-coated steel frame, this push seeder is designed to withstand regular outdoor use. Its sturdy construction resists rust and wear, making it a dependable gardening companion season after season. The comfortable rubber grip handle provides better control while reducing hand fatigue, allowing you to cover larger garden areas with ease. One of the standout features of the Chapin 8701B is its 6 interchangeable seed plates, capable of planting up to 20 different seed varieties. Simply select the appropriate seed plate for your crop, fill the 1.5-liter rust-resistant poly hopper, and begin planting. The seed plates are designed to help deliver proper spacing for a wide range of vegetables, promoting healthier plant growth and maximizing garden productivity. The integrated zinc plow blade efficiently opens a planting furrow as you push the seeder forward. Immediately afterward, seeds are dropped at regular intervals before the wide rear wheel gently covers and firms the soil over the seeds. This complete planting process helps improve seed-to-soil contact. Gardening is one of the most rewarding hobbies and productive outdoor activities, but planting seeds by hand can often be slow, tiring, and inconsistent. Uneven seed spacing, incorrect planting depth, and wasted seeds can affect germination rates and reduce the overall success of your garden. The John Deere 3 pounds garden seeder with 7 seed plates is designed to solve these common planting challenges by delivering accurate, efficient, and consistent seed placement. Whether you're planting a backyard vegetable garden, a community plot, or a small farm, this manual precision seeder helps simplify the entire planting process while improving crop organization and productivity. Built with John Deere's reputation for dependable agricultural equipment, this garden seeder combines durability, ease of use, and precision in a compact, manually operated design. It is ideal for gardeners who want professional-looking planting rows without investing in expensive powered equipment. Precision planting made easy. One of the biggest advantages of the John Deere garden seeder is its ability to plant seeds with greater precision than traditional hand sowing. Instead of scattering seeds unevenly, the seeder dispenses them at consistent intervals, helping create uniform rows that encourage healthier plant growth. Even seed spacing reduces overcrowding, giving each plant adequate room to develop strong roots and receive sufficient sunlight, nutrients, and water. Better spacing also improves airflow between plants, helping reduce the risk of disease while making maintenance tasks such as watering, fertilizing, and weeding much easier. Whether you're planting leafy greens, root vegetables, beans, or herbs, precision planting leads to a healthier and more productive garden. Large 3 pound seed hopper. The seeder features a spacious 3 pound seed hopper, allowing gardeners to work longer before needing to refill. This larger seed capacity is especially useful when planting multiple rows or larger garden areas. With fewer interruptions for refilling, you can maintain a steady planting rhythm and complete gardening projects more efficiently. The hopper is easy to load and securely holds seeds during operation, minimizing spills and waste. Its generous capacity makes it suitable for home gardens, raised beds, community gardens, school gardens, and small agricultural plots. Includes 7 interchangeable seed plates. Every type of seed has a different size and shape, making precision planting difficult with universal planters. That's why the John Deere garden seeder includes 7 interchangeable seed plates, each designed to accommodate different seed varieties. Changing seed plates is quick and simple, allowing you to move from one crop to another with minimal downtime. Whether you're planting tiny carrot seeds or larger beans and peas, the appropriate seed plate helps deliver more consistent spacing and accurate seed distribution. Depending on the selected plate, the seeder can be used with many popular garden crops, including carrots, lettuce, radishes, spinach, onions, beets, turnips, peas, beans, corn, okra, herbs, flowers, many other vegetable varieties. This versatility allows gardeners to use one planting tool throughout the entire growing season. Adjustable row marker for straight planting. Straight planting rows not only improve the appearance of your garden but also make future maintenance significantly easier. The integrated adjustable row marker creates consistent spacing between rows, allowing gardeners to organize planting layouts with professional-looking accuracy. Proper row spacing provides several important benefits. Easier watering, simpler weeding, better airflow, improved sunlight exposure, convenient harvesting, efficient fertilizer application, better use of available garden space. The adjustable marker allows gardeners to customize row spacing based on the specific needs of each crop. Rear wheel design for better seed coverage. One standout feature of this manual garden seeder is its thoughtfully designed rear wheel system. After seeds are placed into the prepared soil, the rear wheel gently presses soil back over the planted seeds. This process helps improve seed-to-soil contact, an important factor for successful germination. Proper coverage also protects seeds from wind, birds, heavy watering, soil erosion, dry surface conditions. The rear wheel helps maintain consistent planting depth while providing a smoother and more efficient planting experience. Designed for prepared soil, the John Deere garden seeder performs best in properly prepared garden soil. Before planting, gardeners should loosen the soil, remove rocks and debris, and level the planting area for optimal results. Prepared soil allows the planter wheel to move smoothly while maintaining consistent seed depth and spacing. Once the soil has been cultivated, the seeder glides effortlessly across the garden, producing neat, evenly planted rows. It works especially well in backyard gardens, raised beds, community gardens, vegetable plots, hobby farms, school gardens. Comfortable manual operation. Unlike powered planting equipment, this manual seeder requires no gasoline, batteries, or electricity. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to push through prepared soil while minimizing user fatigue. The ergonomic design allows gardeners of various experience levels to comfortably plant multiple rows without excessive physical effort. Manual operation also offers greater control over planting speed, making it easier to achieve consistent results. Because there are no engines or motors, maintenance is simple and operating costs remain extremely low. Durable construction. John Deere products are known for reliability, and this garden seeder continues that tradition. Constructed with durable materials, it is designed to withstand repeated seasonal use in outdoor gardening environments. The sturdy frame resists everyday wear while maintaining dependable performance year after year. With proper cleaning and storage after each planting season, the seeder can provide reliable service for many growing seasons. Saves time and seeds planting by hand often results in uneven seed distribution.